so this is our first time back in the garden after many weeks of just really enjoying the holidays and dealing with a lot of life changes. If you guys haven't heard yet, I'm pregnant. Oh my God. It was a huge surprise for us and something that we're really excited about. But that doesn't mean that life in the garden stops. As you can see, things continue growing whether or not we like it. Life finds a way, as I like to say. So let's have a look and see what's been going on here. Really haven't been doing a lot of work since maybe October or so, but we've got some stuff still kind of hanging out and making its way. We've got a cauliflower plant here that's been here since the spring. My gosh, like 9 months, 10 months or so, but it's still no cauliflower here, nothing growing, just a big plant. One thing that's really surprising to me is these sunflowers. I still managed to get some flowers blooming here. Here's another one that should be blooming soon. But yeah, it's really beautiful to see these flowers popping up in the middle of December. But then again, this is Texas, it is hot as heck. So we do have a really strange growing season all year long. We also have some of these snowball plants. They're called snowball something. I don't know. I can't remember the exact name, but they're wildflowers. So they don't care how cold it gets, whether you care about them or don't care about them. They're just gonna keep growing. They also smell really great. They smell like, they just smell like honey. That it's an awesome flower to have in the garden. So I will have to find the exact name and put it right here. Okay, that's the exact name. This Brussels sprout plant is pretty big. I wish I could figure out what to do with these leaves because they look super nutritious. We've got some Brussels sprouts growing here. These little guys are super cute and they have grown for months and months and months just kind of on their own. This plant is pretty big. We have a ton of weeds. Oh my God, so many weeds in this place. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna be spraying some vinegar on all of the weeds to try to kill them. Our last stop on our garden tour are my pepper plants, my freaking awesome pepper plants. I love them and they didn't survive. It is so sad to look at these guys right now because they were so healthy and amazing and wonderful during the summer. But now they're just like shriveled up and dying. It's pretty sad to see this. So now it's time to get to work and do some clearing and make this place look just a little bit better before it gets too late into the winter and it'll be springtime. So here we go. As you can see, there's still a ton of work to be done here in the Hernandez garden. But we've gotten a start, and better some start than no start. Better a little bit at a time than nothing at all. So here we go, and hope you enjoyed our update on the garden. We'll see you again soon as we get ready to head into spring 2020. Bye.